Have you ever posted a gorgeous product photo, only to watch it get buried on Etsy? Here's the truth. In 2026, static images just don't cut it anymore. Buyers scroll past beautiful photos every single day. What stops the scroll? But hiring a videographer? That's $500. Learning Premiere Pro? That's months. Filming it yourself? Who's got the time? What if I told you you could turn into this, a cinematic product video, in under 60 seconds? The tool URL to video. It's been quietly powering half the viral product ads you've been seeing on TikTok and Reels. Step 1. Select the option to generate a video, specifically an advertising video. Step 2. Select product images to upload. This is the killer feature for anyone sitting on a folder full of product photos. You can also choose to paste the product link to extract information. I'm using this floral water bottle carrier, a real Etsy listing. Just a single flat lay photo. Nothing fancy. The information has been filled in. Select some useful options.
This patterned fabric water cup bag features a beautiful blue, purple, and gold color scheme. The side pockets are practical, and the interior lining is exquisite. It is suitable for daily fashion d'après, has a moderate capacity, and is a great travel item.
That's it. One image, one video, 1 minute. But wait, it gets way better. Let's say you've seen a competitor's ad crushing it on TikTok. The hook? Perfect. The pacing? Tight. The CTA? Flawless. You don't want to copy it directly, but you want to borrow the structure. That's exactly what the ad clone feature does. Browse the winning ads library, a curated collection of proven ad formulas. Pick one you like. Drop in your product. The AI reverse engineers the hook, the pacing, the persuasion pattern, and rebuilds it with your product front and center. So instead of guessing what works, you're engineering ads based on what's already crushing the algorithm. Whether it is video ads or image ads from competitors, you can find inspiration in them using URL to video. Take a look at the result. This is a recreated image that captures the key visual elements of the original, while also incorporating the strengths of our own product. You can also further edit and customize it as needed. We just cloned a video as well. Let's take a look. Real talk. Fifth, you're still shipping static product photos in 2026. You're leaving money on the table. Click link in the description, try URL to video, and generate your first video today.